And we are back, people of YouTube, as I sell. As you know now, it's either the episode either 9 to 8, 9 to 7 or 10 minutes long, so that's why I keep stopping when it's 9 to 10. Okay, next test. Well, shaking, they're shaking. What's the shaking? That not seem good.
Helen Brainwave, I'm going to tape you solving these, and then watch 10 at once. Get a more concentrated burst of science. Oh, on a related note, I am going to need you to solve these 10 times as fast. Anyway, just give me a wave, would you, before you solve this one, alright? I don't want to spoil the ending for when I watch it later.
Sal showed me how to do all these, so now I kind of have a better understanding of what to do. Like I do this. Woo! Grab the cube. Then he says that I had to use the cube to block the laser, which I'm assuming is this one. Yeah, I don't know how to play this game unless he's telling me how to. Okay, here goes one, and there, because I see a cube over there, so I'm gonna press that, and I'm going to go in here. Oh, I'm good. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just like, you know, a motherfucking all-star. Yeah, boy. Okay, I guess I'm gonna move this, and whoa. Okay, gotta go over here, and ow! Hey, you, Wheatley, look at this, I'm gonna try and make a bullseye in your eyeball. Kinda, it's...
Okay, just to clarify, I was being a little bit facetious about that, wanting to get rid of monitors thing. They are actually really quite useful, so I do want them right. So, if you could just double smash them.
No. Okay, he said to put it on here. Okay, and so I'm supposed to... Ow. Are you kidding me? Okay, there we go, that's better. Then he's... Perfect. Then he said to put this one here. And we'll move this and that. And then put this here. Okay. There we go. And then do this.
Oh, you just solved it, didn't you? I told you to tell me. Why are you making this so hard for me?
Because you're a fucking... And I don't like that.
He was specifically designed to make bad decisions.
Yes.
Because I think he's decided not to maintain any of the crucial functions required to keep this facility from exploding.
Yeah, I can see that. Oh, how much wood could it check wood? Seashells down by the seashore. No, wait, yeah. Seashells, no, what? Seashells down by the seashore. Got it, okay. I don't know any more tongue twisters. Sally Susan something. Mel Gibson is a racist person, I don't know. I don't know why I said that. I think Sal's using a Mel Gibson face or something. So I just, looked at that, and then that's the first thing we said. Okay, what's going on in here? Oh yeah, this one, I watched him do it. He got in trouble, I think.
Programmed in one last tremor from closer. One or two more tremors.
Nobody like it here.
Warning. Core overheating.
I know Kimmy's job. I'm not a monster.
Whoa. Huh, lasers have smoke. Did not know that. I gotta put it over here. Then I gotta go over there. And he says I gotta be really careful where I put the this one. Okay, like, yeah, there. You have to have enough to get over there. No. Well, that was entirely by accident. Jump in! Perfect. Now I just gotta wait. Okay, come on, get over there, get over there, get over there, get over there. And now, pressing button. Come on, Q. Perfect. Okay, now I just gotta get over there. Okay, it's gotta. There. Yeah, like here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and moving back. Do this. Crap.
Alright, still nothing. Let's keep moving. Sorry about the lift. It's out of service.
It melted. Okay.
Might as well give you the tour. To your left, you'll see some lights.
I do see some lights. Yes.
Very exciting.
Yes.
You're right. Oh God, Rob, that's not supposed to be there.
Ah. Oh, thank God. Stop.
Here, I'll turn the beam off.
Oh, fuck no!
No, that's not helping.
Ah!
I don't know why I thought that would help.
That hurt.
Seeing what he's done to my facility after we take over again. Is it alright if I kill him?
No, that honor is reserved for me. End of episode.